This is Jim Emter, Van Ahn Co, Alexandria, Minnesota, with your closing grain and livestock comments for April 25th, 2018. Corn market today up 5 to 6 cents. Soybeans up 4 to 5.5. Chicago wheat up 13 to 14 3/4. Minneapolis up 6 to 8 1/4. Kansas City up 14.5 to 15 cents. So major reversal yesterday in wheat market, and we confirmed it today with some big up trades holding the 200-day in the Kansas City wheat. So exciting to see these markets kind of step back up here again. But what's important to note is what is the underlying reason outside of the wheat reversal? And that's where people will scratch their heads a little bit. There still are chances for rains, albeit at midday they're a little bit less than what was forecasted earlier in the day and really the last couple days. So that's a reason enough for Kansas City wheat to reverse, but our ability to extend is going to be the million-dollar question. Right now we still look for 540 to be pretty stiff resistance. We're only about a dime to 12 cents away now on the Kansas City wheat, so we very quickly find ourselves up against resistance already in Kansas City wheat. In corn market, we're really 402 is a key resistance level for July. We feel sometime this summer we'll break that and maybe get a run all the way up to 428, but not sure that necessarily needs to happen now in front of what we believe will be a pretty aggressive planting pace over the next 2 to 3 weeks. So that's what we'll have to digest. We kind of look for maybe a cleanse here once more before we kind of get into the summer activity. So don't be surprised that maybe bulls are a little disappointed coming away from this, and also that the bears are disappointed that we can't break too hard either. The wild card is soybeans. There was a major Bunge terminal down in Argentina that went down. A ship had hit it. So that's port 6. That will get some attention here as to how are the meal loadings and bean loadings going there. But the long and short of beans right now is they're kind of stuck in a little bit of rut of likely the market that's picking up some acreage here and also kind of towards the upper end of range. So we'll see how that all unfolds, but look for a little more choppy action, corn and wheat, and the bean market maybe a little bit of the negative market as we work ahead here over the next 4 to 6 weeks. Feeder cattle today up 75 to $1.20, live cattle up 35 to 82.5, hog market up 42.5 to $1.10. When you look to those markets, nice recovery, a needed recovery. Cattle market at least trying to seize the moment and continue on this rally to some degree. We've had some bold numbers around cattle, and now it's the ability to get up. We still look for a couple more dollars up before we run into major resistance. So we'll watch for that in the days ahead, a little firmish around the cattle. Hog market, nice to see recovery today, but we still see some problems with the hogs. $80 to $82 will be limitations for summer months, and we look for that to be a key marketing area. This has been Jim Emter, Van Ahn Co, Alexandria, Minnesota. Trading in futures and options involves risk of loss and is not suitable for all producers. Past performance is not indicative of future results. This is a solicitation. Have a great afternoon.